Hello! In this second part, we will delve even deeper into the world of cuts. In the previous tutorial, we saw how to use cuts with simple shapes in a practical way. Now we will learn how to create more complex shapes to achieve sophisticated cuts and next-level designs. First, I want to explain to you what Bezier editing is. First, choose a base shape according to the result you want and adjust its dimensions now or later. Next, let's select the Expand Editor option. Click on the shape and you'll see nodes appear at the corners. These nodes can be moved freely. You can also add new nodes by clicking on any line and move them just as easily. If you want to delete a node, just press Shift and click on the node you want to remove. And don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always use Undo to go back and start over. If you want to edit curves, just double-click on your shape. You'll see some green and yellow points appear called Beziers. With them, you can give smooth curves to the sides of your shape, carefully manipulating them one by one until you achieve the design you want. To exit Bezier edit mode, just click outside the shape, and once you've finished editing your shape, you can easily adjust its dimensions, angles, and depth. When your shape is ready, don't forget to save it to your personal library. Then, just place it wherever you want and click on Cut. Remember that you can also copy and paste your new shape into another profile of your design or into a new design by using Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. How do we use this type of editing in a real design scenario? Let's look at two practical examples so you can understand how Bezier curves can help you create custom shapes. Let's do this example where the edges of a profile are rounded. First, we need a wood profile and we adjust its dimensions. Click on the profile, select Cut or Drill. Choose the face where you'll make the cut. In the library, we select the square shape and edit its dimensions to match those of the profile. Next, we go into Expand Editor. Here we click on the shape and add a couple of extra nodes. We move the corner nodes slightly downward. With the nodes in position, we double-click to access Bezier editing and adjust the parameters until we achieve the desired curve. Activate the inverse cut and click Cut. As you can see, the cut was clean and precise. With this method, you can stylize your designs and take them to the next level. Now we're going to make a cut that's very common in pergolas. Click on the profile, select Cut or Drill. Choose the face where you'll make the cut. Select your base shape. Adjust the dimensions of the shape. Enter the expanded editor. Move the existing nodes and add any you need by placing them where you want. Enable Bezier editing and adjust the curves until you achieve the desired shape. Activate the inverse cut and click Cut. Now your pergola has a much more sophisticated and stylish finish. The possibilities for cuts are enormous. For example, here's a design from a user who used them masterfully, making multiple cuts and shapes in their design. I'll leave you the link so you can take a closer look. Now you're an expert in making cuts.